What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and it does look as though it is performing very, very nicely indeed. Obviously, we're covering it yesterday, we did see Verasity head up to around that 8.5 level, which was the all-time high. Obviously, since then, we've had a little bit of a correction down to 7.7-ish cents, obviously with Bitcoin having a rollover in the market, but overall, Verasity holding up very, very nicely indeed, looking as though it doesn't really care that much at all about the market rolling over. Having a little bit of a correction here, but really nothing to scoff at whatsoever. You can see, obviously, all of our technical analysis here for all of the recent moves that we've seen. Big descending wedge in May, obviously the breakout of that, the smaller descending wedge we saw in September, the ABC correction, overextension with the bullish divergence. We've talked about it all a lot in our videos over the past few weeks. We get that next run up that we did see here. Obviously, if this is your flagpole and you go into the upside like this, you are targeting, you know, up towards these levels here. A very, very nice 16-cent Verasity there. But overall, you know, we're on our way by the looks of it, aren't we? You can see we our next run up here all the way up to around that 6.7 all-time high, where we had a bit of a correction. We coiled up into the apex and we did have continuation here with alt season, you know, essentially booming really and allowing Verasity to have that next move to the upside, which we are seeing here. Verasity coming up to that new all-time high of around 8.5 cents, which is absolutely amazing to see. Obviously, we do have that technical target here of the flagpole like this, the consolidation into the apex, and then we do have that technical target, as we said, of that breakout of that pennant going up towards that 10-cent 127 extension, which we are still targeting. If we take a look at the hourly time frame here, let's just set this to auto so we can see what's going on. Verasity looking really, really good, isn't it? Broke through the previous all-time high, headed up all the way to exactly the new all-time high of 8.5 cents-ish. Having a bit of a rollover here in a consolidation, looking for a bit of support, but, you know, nothing too crazy really. And it is, you know, overall, we would say Verasity, I mean, it's looking really, really good, isn't it? You can see quite clearly on the chart that it's just been, you know, absolutely bullish to a T, really. Even on the hourly chart, you can see here, we've just been going up the levels, holding support beautifully on the 618 there, obviously coming up, consolidating nicely, continuation, consolidation, continuation. And it's just been taking the stairs up really, hasn't it? Every single time that we've consolidated, we've had another move to the upside recently. So Verasity is super bullish, obviously great project, low market cap, great fundamentals, potential, you know, more patent fundamental bullish news on the way as well. And if that's the case, obviously with that potential Binance listing that a lot of people are looking for, we could be looking at Verasity having a very nice pump very soon based on fundamentals. And when you look at the technicals as well, it's hard to deny that this project is looking very, very strong indeed. Like it could be essentially having a really, really nice move to the upside very, very soon. So we're just taking a look at it. I mean, look at this chart. It's absolutely amazing, isn't it? You can see here basically cup, handle, getting that breakout now. And if we do start to see ourselves moving up with any aplomb like we're expecting, basically Verasity looking really, really good. There's not really that much to say, to be honest. It's holding up extremely well in comparison to a lot of cryptocurrencies. Quite a lot of cryptos have had a really, really big correction with Bitcoin rolling over a little bit. A lot of the larger cryptos, XRP, we've seen obviously Polygon, VeChain, all these kinds of cryptos we cover regularly have had big corrections, but it looks as though Verasity is holding really well, which just shows how bullish it is really. We are potentially looking at, you know, some potential bearish divergences here, but this RSI is pretty flat, so it could go either way currently. But we do think, you know, considering how good Verasity is looking, most likely we're probably going to see ourselves having a nice move to the upside. So we'll keep things short and sweet then with the price predictions. As we said, if we do roll over here, we've got some nice support here on that previous swing high at the previous all-time high of around 6.7 cents. Obviously with the 20 EMA there as well to potentially scoop the price action up, along with the 55, which is trailing down here as well, where we could see a bit of a correction and then continuation. But, you know, considering how bullish things are, we're still targeting that 10-cent level at that 127 extension, as we said. And then obviously going into the remainder of the bull run, we do really think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is a very, very realistic target. Obviously, we've got that 227 extension at around 75 cents, but with all that bullish fundamental news, and obviously we can see how much Verasity can potentially run, we could be looking at some very, very nice price targets for Verasity. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.